We're road tripping! Grand Canyon, Monument Valley, Antelope, Horseshoe Bend, up to Bryce, down to Zion,
to St.
George, to Vegas,
and then home.
Eventually, hopefully.
If we're alive, we're somewhere in a canyon. Hopefully not like the 60 hours guide.
129 hours.
129 hours.
Hopefully we're not James Franco. Where are we at, Lauren?
Canyon.
Come on. So we're in Monument Valley and we found a dick monument. It's beautiful. Not really sure what it actually is, but it looks like a dick. So we're at Lake Powell by accident. We meant to go camping. Where were we gonna camp? At Page, but they were full. So we were calling around and this one campsite we'd never heard of was like, yeah, we have openings, come on in. Had no idea it was gonna be right here. This is the most beautiful campsite I've ever been to. We just finished setting up the tent. Now we're gonna relax and have some beers, watch the sunset, set up a fire, maybe make some s'mores. Really solid day one, right? On hold, waiting to find a campsite. We made it to stop number 5, Bryce Canyon. It's kind of a pain in the butt getting here, but we're here. right up to the lens. Come on, let's go. He's my new friend, apparently. Hey, guy. Good boy. Hi. He loves us. I think he likes cameras. No way. Ah! Lauren, what just happened? Oh my God. And now,
Big one.
What?
Middle of the road.
it was a king snake. Yeah, a South Utah king snake. Now we're at Grafton Ghost Town. When we first started planning this trip, we didn't really know exactly where we wanted to go. We had an idea of a few destinations, but overall, the goal of this trip was to do something together. What I've learned on this trip, though, is that it's not necessarily about where we were intending to go. It was about how we got there and driving this road trip together. And it was so spontaneous that we didn't even have a place to stay, and yet we still went. And that was the beauty of it. I know it's really cliche, but sometimes it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And as silly as that sounds, it still rings true. So Lauren and I did this crazy road trip in 4 days. We hit so many amazing stops. We rolled with the punches. So the campsite we wanted to go to was full. So we just Googled and searched and called, and we were able to find something, and it ended up being even better. And we decided not to go to Vegas because at the end of this trip we were exhausted, and getting dressed up and trying to go out just didn't appeal to us. So this was definitely a learning experience where I learned that when you're traveling, you need to just go with the motions and do what feels right and do what feels natural, and take every moment and really appreciate the view, because they're absolutely amazing. In every place we went, there was different beautiful views. So now we know Utah, Arizona, Nevada, California, you are beautiful.